Welcome back, Herd. Big Bull in the building. Last week gave us everything. Fear, rallies, confusion, and even a little whiplash if you stared at the triple Qs too long. We had dips, rips, and those weird sideways moments where the market looks like it's buffering. But here's the truth. We're still risk on, just a slightly sleepier version of it. Bitcoin slipped under 100K after touching 120K. AMD cooled down after earnings, but still sitting strong at 246.81. And Meta, fresh off their earnings, is cruising at 609.46. Not a meltdown, just a week full of plot twists. Let's break down last week without putting you to sleep. Nasdaq tested the 50 SMA. Buyers showed, but they walked in late like teenagers on the first day of school. Semiconductors, drama factory, AMD cooled, NVDA is waiting for earnings, AVGO out here acting like it's coming off 5 Red Bulls. Market breadth improved, but leadership tightened. Risk on softened, but hasn't died. And of course, Red was pacing around saying the sky was falling.
Look, man, the charts looked ugly. Bitcoin tanking and yields creeping. I'm not crazy. The whole thing looked like a bad sequel, but sure, whatever. It held this time.
Red, if the market went up 10% in a day, you'd say it was a trap. If it went down 10% in a day, you'd say it was finally happening. We get it. You're committed to the bit. But dips, pullbacks, consolidation, that's normal in a bull trend. Last week wasn't a funeral, it was a nap. Now earnings. Let's get this right because accuracy matters. AMD already reported, stocks at 246.81. Solid earnings, solid guidance. Still sitting in a bullish structure long term. Meta already reported too. At 609.46, Meta is sitting on the clearance rack with 3 markdown stickers on Black Friday. NVDA, the heavyweight, reports next. The entire market is sitting there like this is the season finale. NVDA, how's demand? How's AI infrastructure? Are data center orders still 3 years out? One whisper from Jensen, and the whole Nasdaq moves.
Voltage rising, scalp mode online. Last week was beautiful. Range days, trend days, fake outs. I harvested them all. Buyers late? I don't care. Sellers moody? Even better. Give me volatility and I'll scalp it like a barber with a caffeine problem. Risk on is still alive. Just less YOLO and more my don't be an idiot mode.
Key economic data. Consumer sentiment dropped to 50.3, near historic lows, thanks in part to the shutdown. Retail sales coming this week, huge for market direction. Producer price inputs, PPI, inflation clues, jobless claims, labor market still tight. Treasury auctions, $125 billion in new supply. If demand is weak, yields climb, and tech gets wobbly. Conference Board GDP outlook, a 1.4%. Q4 2025 growth, a 1.8% for 2025 overall. Slower, but not recession. Politically, it's messy. The government reopened, and that's good. But nothing underneath got fixed, and that's not good. We're heading into election energy, shutdown aftershocks, spending fights, and policy ping-pong. Markets want clarity. Right now, we got fog. It's almost tax season, which means one thing. People start selling winners to pay for property taxes and upcoming bills, stuff they thought they wouldn't spend money on. So you get random, unexplained sell pressure. Not because stocks are bad, but because people need cash.
Yeah, folks selling Meta so they can pay for the HOA fee. Couldn't be me. I scalped the HOA instead. But seriously, liquidity needs crosser weird chart behavior.
We're still risk on, but slightly dialed down. Think of it like 5 shots of espresso last month. Now we're on 3. Money flow still favors AI, semiconductors, cybersecurity, cloud, high growth risk off showing in utilities, staples, bonds, dividend plays. The torch is still in tech's hands, just burning a little cooler.
I still think everything's overpriced. You'll see I'm right.
Bread, if pessimism paid dividends, you'd have a yacht shaped like your own head. I'm just saying.
All right, Herd. Big week ahead. Economic data, NVDA earnings, Treasury supply pressure, political noise, and a market that wants to run if buyers step up. Me, Volt, and yes, even Red will break it all down for you. Hit like, smash subscribe. Visit TradeForgeAIinvest.com for deeper analysis. Discord coming soon. Stay smart, stay tactical, stay bullish, stay ahead.